Ну а теперь давайте посмотрим, какие многоходовки.
And now let's see what multi-move games are given in the World Championships.
Вот перед нами позиция.
Here we have the position, a 4-move mate.
Фигур много.
There are many pieces.
Но если белые все собрались
If the
вокруг,
white gathered around the black king, the black pieces gathered basically at a distance.
вдали. И после этого такого общего взгляда,
And after that,
моментально видим,
after
что
such a
коня
general
C,
look,
матующая
I
фигура,
immediately see that the
он
knight
нацелен на поле
h7
F6,
is a mating
на
figure.
котором
It is
пока
aiming
стоит
at
белый
f6,
король.
where the
Король,
white king
очевидно,
is
должен
standing
куда-то
yet.
пойти.
It is evident that the king has to go somewhere.
Раз,
It has
два,
some squares,
три,
1,
четыре.
2, 3, 4.
Везде он попадает под шах.
Everywhere it falls under the check. But if you're afraid of wolves, don't go into the woods.
Так, если куда-то сюда,
If somewhere here
такой шаг,
such a check,
никакой игры не
no
видно.
game is seen.
А вот если
But
пойти
if
на
you go
F5,
to f5, standing in the line of the black battery,
на линию
bishop
черной
and
батареи.
knight.
Слон плюс конь. То есть в большинстве задач
In
наших
most
видеокурсов
problems
были
of our
показаны
video course, the white batteries in diverse places of the white batteries are shown. And now we see an example of a black battery play.
белых стали
So,
на линию
the
черной
white
батареи.
stand in the line of the black battery. The knight threatens to f6, mate,
Защищается
a short threat.
двойным шахом.
The black defends by double check. Check.
Второй
The
ход.
second move
Сюда.
here, we run away.
Убегаем.
The check remains here.
Сюда шах.
The third move to h4,
4.
and now there are no checks,
Нет, потому
because
что
the bishop blocked the field for the knight,
заблокировал поле для коня.
and the mate from f6 is inevitable.
Второй
The
вариант.
second variant, the knight e3 check, again double. Each move carries a kind of weakening. For example, in the first variant, the first horizontal was blocked, and now the move knight e3 slowed down the rook c3, closed the check along e-line. Therefore, the second move is over here. The black had the same answer. Bishop f5, check, king e7. Again, another check is impossible, because the bishop took the square from its own knight.
Своего же коня.
And the mate is inevitable again, that is, the finale is repeated in this variant.
Так,
The problem is interesting because there is an possibility to give the third check. It is impossible to b4 and a3, but the check can be made to e1.
можно дать.
The bishop check. But now the king will not run somewhere there, because the rook will reach it.
Ладья его достанет.
But here we unwittingly pay attention to the d2 pawn.
Ходом d3.
With d3 move, it interported the line of the check, the second move.
Перекрывает линию шаха. Второй ход. Ну, приходится брать. Снова шах.
We have to jump it, again check, and now the cold-blooded move of the king to e5.
Король e5. И
And
снова
again,
слон
the bishop
на
took
поле
the
коня.
square from the knight, and the mates, one and the same, is inevitable.
Неизбежно.
I must say that this problem cannot be called difficult.
Нельзя тоже
Perhaps
назвать трудным.
someone who is familiar with the tactical ideas will solve it comparatively easily.